In this video, we will explore how a US professor shattered the world record for living underwater. To do that, he had to stay in a unique and amazing place, Jules Undersea Lodge in Key Largo, Florida. Jules Undersea Lodge is the only hotel where you must scuba dive to your room. It is located in a 100-square-foot pressurized suite 30 feet below the surface of a lagoon filled with interesting wildlife and artifacts. The suite has a commode, a kitchenette, a bed and a window that offers a stunning view of the underwater world. The lodge was originally built as a research laboratory in the 1970s, but was converted into a hotel in 1986. Since then, it has hosted thousands of guests, including celebrities, scientists, adventurers and even couples who got married underwater. The lodge also offers educational programs and diving courses for those who want to learn more about the marine environment. To stay at Jules Undersea Lodge, you need to be a certified diver or take a diving course with the staff. You also need to bring your own diving gear or rent it from the lodge. Once you are ready, you will dive down to the lodge with the help of a mission director who will guide you and assist you during your stay. You can also order food and drinks from the surface, which will be delivered to you in a waterproof container. Staying at Jules Undersea Lodge is an unforgettable experience that will make you feel like an explorer, a scientist, or even an astronaut. It is also a great way to appreciate the beauty and diversity of life under the sea. If you are looking for an adventure that will challenge you and inspire you, Jules Undersea Lodge is the place for you. The main objectives and outcomes of his mission: to study how the human body responds to long-term exposure to extreme pressure and its potential benefits for health and longevity, to conduct STEM outreach and marine conservation activities with students, scientists and visitors, and to emerge as a superhuman with improved cellular function. Joseph Dituri, also known as Dr. Deep Sea, is a university professor, a diving explorer and a medical researcher who has embarked on an unprecedented underwater adventure. He has broken the world record for the longest time living underwater without depressurization by spending more than 74 days at Jules Undersea Lodge, a small room that sits at the bottom of a 30-foot deep lagoon in Key Largo, Florida. But he is not done yet. He plans to stay there for at least 100 days as part of Project Neptune 100, a mission that combines medical and ocean research along with educational outreach. One of his main objectives is to study how the human body responds to long-term exposure to extreme pressure and its potential benefits for health and longevity. Unlike a submarine, the lodge does not use technology to adjust for the increased underwater pressure, which means that Dituri is living in an environment that is 3 times more pressurized than the surface. This could have profound effects on his physiology, such as increasing his blood oxygen levels, enhancing his immune system and altering his gene expression. To monitor these changes, Dituri conducts daily experiments on himself and sends blood samples to the surface for analysis. He hopes that his findings will help advance the understanding of human adaptation to extreme environments and pave the way for future underwater exploration and habitation. Another objective of his mission is to conduct STEM outreach and marine conservation activities with students, scientists and visitors. Dituri is not only a professor of biomedical engineering at the University of South Florida, but also a retired U.S. naval officer who served for 28 years. He has a passion for teaching and inspiring the next generation of explorers and innovators. He uses his digital studio beneath the sea to conduct online classes and broadcast interviews from his underwater home. He has reached over 2,500 students through online classes in marine science and more with his regular biomedical engineering courses. He also welcomes visitors who want to dive down and see him in person, as well as scientists who want to collaborate with him on underwater research projects. He aims to raise awareness about the importance of protecting the ocean and its biodiversity. The final objective of his mission is to emerge as a superhuman with improved cellular function. Dituri believes that living underwater for such a long time will not only change his body, but also his mind. He expects that he will develop enhanced cognitive abilities, such as memory, creativity, and problem-solving skills. He also hopes that he will gain some of the benefits of marine mammals, such as dolphins and whales, who can dive deep and stay underwater for long periods without suffering from decompression sickness or other health issues. He thinks that he will be able to breathe better, see better and hear better after his mission. He calls this process aquatization and hopes that it will make him a better human being. These are the main objectives and outcomes of Dituri's mission: to study how the human body responds to long-term exposure to extreme pressure and its potential benefits for health and longevity, to conduct STEM outreach and marine conservation activities with students, scientists and visitors, and to emerge as a superhuman with improved cellular function. He is not only breaking records, but also breaking boundaries in science, education and exploration. He is living his dream of becoming one with the ocean.